again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Mark in Florida. I had to look at that label. Mark got you all fixed up here. You also added talk back, so we got your talk back, high cut, amp on off switch, all the audio power mods, everything to get this thing to 300 simoleons. So we're gonna start with our power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down in case you decide to run an amp, blah blah blah, you know the story. 60 all the way up for the big hammer, low 140 bird, 500 watt slug and peak, low 300 peak. That's that, Mark. Hey man, we're gonna get this out to you, send you an adapter, got a couple mics to send you, and rock and roll with this thing. I appreciate it. Mark, you got wise and got truckerized from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.